That car with Mirage, you want to come, Ace? Yeah. You want to come? Hey! I miss you, girl. Ready! Yeah. Where does he go, man? Where's Ace? Where's Ace? Ace is in the car. I told you Ace is in the car. Let's get. Let's get out of here. What's the fun? Oh my God! Alright, come to my car. Come, we ready. One, good job. They have taken so much joy from me that the day that they hand to me means nothing to me. And then they put me at the back of the plane. Yep. I'm right next to the toilet. You buy 5 tickets and the plane is empty. Empty. You see? Empty. Ma'am, why would the plane be empty and you put me next to the toilet? Well, ask.
Yeah, so she says she don't mind. We have to whip to the cabin come first. Of course. Yeah. And then
I'll put me beside toilet. These people are rude. Empty plane. Not even the plane empty like back funeral. I see where them bury His Majesty under toilet, you know, dirty bungle, you know.
LiQWYD getting married on Valentine's Day. What are you doing?
Me can't believe say Bumbleclad Patch Can Mode. Whoa! Get ring before no phone. He proposed to me. He proposed with a diamond ring. Whoa! I couldn't believe it. He placed it on my finger and I said yes. Bumbleclad girl. Who no make a girl when I be nothing? Mama ever have white squall. Remember say whoa married to white squall. Married to them fuck up teeth there. Mama have teeth in her mouth for she in about 9th grade, you know man. He will have wow teeth them boom out her mouth. Like somebody drop a grenade in a blood clot wow mouth. Pew! Boom! Whole of mama mouth blast up. You have to say, Jesus Christ. Then wow could have get man, but you boy. Where fuck wow? If you don't go suck out in tongue like our baby lad suck out in tongue, shove your tongue down in a blood clot, wow throat, clean out in crevices. If you don't come suck off your lip, front away. If we don't see you can lick out wow mouth, like our baby lad used to suck you out. If you don't plan to catch on for wow mouth, hold the ring there. You sit down east, she sit down west. You can't see it. It's like more wow moly and a little more thing. The boss now I go nowhere near her. Yeah, boss now. Yeah, box. Yeah. I be a little green off teeth and then I look like a cloud here looking know miss a bleach out. With your 3 different complexion where you have for your blood clot. I never know what you look on. Me don't know if you're brown, if you're fair complexion or you're black. Bad man, me I tell you, so when me see is a heights of confusion. You resemble wow mouth. I see him so wow mouth there. Little black, little red, little brown. I be a blood clot that. So it's like say you and our mouth is twinning. Bad color, you fuck. I see him so wow mouth, bad color. Your color, bad color. Wow mouth, bad color. It two on the blood clot make a perfect couple. But the only thing is, look like you're afraid of wow. Look like you don't want to kiss wow. Oh, you're married to one girl where you don't want to kiss, brother. No teeth, but gum. I be your gum in a wow mouth. Jesus Christ, wow. Me say wow have some teeth. We broke halfway in my mouth, you know, Father. Wow have some teeth. We broke halfway in my bumbuckle mouth, you know, Dada. Me couldn't believe wow. What time I see wow boss say she married, the wow said, I wasn't surprised. Because I already know. I think tough like that. So when I go up there on the 1st of February and he said, looking at the box there right there, so I wasn't astonished. Because I already know my game. Move your pussy hole. Whoa, shut your thinking mouth, blood clot and go for yourself. Your mouth slimy in a bumbo clot. And where the pussy clot you come from? Hey, whoa. Whoa. Answer this, man. Answer this. God, whoa. Whoa, when the bumbo clot you expect if you believe out of that. Then Star, you know, have nothing to do. Star, the Jamaica Star, you know, have nothing to do. You got down there and interview Whoa and blood clot, man. The boy look like him scared for him life. Sir, blink. If you need help, sir, blink. Can you look like somebody force you if you did it? Look like I pay them people.
People, look at the sea. Look at the sea. Right now. Right now, please look at the sea. Right now, you know? Live.